Now the next terminology, payables. Payables. Payables means creditors plus bills payable, jointly known as payables. Suppose creditors is rupees 50,000 and bills payable of rupees 20,000. So total payables is 70,000 is the total payables. So 70,000 is called payables. Creditors plus bills payable together known as payables. Okay. Next terminology is your discount. Discount. The discount is a very common word which is known to everyone. When the seller sold something to the customers, then on that time the seller gives discount to the customer. So when the seller sold something to the customer, sold something means sold goods to the customer, on that time seller gives discount to the customer. There are the two types of discount. There are the two types of discount. One discount is called trade discount. Trade discount. Trade discount. Another discount is called cash discount. Cash discount. Trade discount means this discount is given by the seller to the customer for quantity of purchase. Quantity of purchase. As much as quantity the customer will purchase, that much trade discount the seller will give to the or allow to the customers. That depend upon quantity of purchase. This discount is given to the customer so that the customer will buy or purchase more or more quantity of goods from the seller. For example, suppose the seller has given the trade discount in this way. If you purchase the goods in between 10,000 units to 20,000 units, the 2% trade discount will be given. From 20,000 one unit to 40,000 units, the trade discount may be 3%. Suppose 40,000 1 to unit to 80,000 unit, this discount will be suppose 5% and so on. 80,000 1 to unit to 1,50,000 unit, the discount will be 7%. 1,50,000 1 unit to 2 lakhs, the discount will be 8% and so on. This is an attraction given by the seller to the customer that as much as you buy, as much as you purchase, that much discount you will get it. So it's an attraction given by the seller to the buyer, to the customer. This discount is directly deducted from invoice or cash memo. Invoice or cash memo. No entry is passed, no entry is passed, no entry is passed in the books of account, in the books of account for trade discount. No entry is passed in the books of account. It is directly deducted from invoice. Means directly deducted from the MRP, maximum retail price, or list price. Suppose the list price of the goods is list price of the goods is 1,50,000, and the customer has purchased this much goods 1,60,000. Suppose 1,60,000 is purchased by the customer from the seller. So this 1,60,000 comes under this bracket, 1,50,000, 1 to 2 lakhs. So the trade discount will be directly deducted, 8% TD, trade discount will be directly deducted from here. So 8% of 1,60,000 is 8% of 1,60,000 is 12,800. So this will be directly deducted. So this much amount now the customer will pay to the seller. So trade discount based on the quantity of purchase or sale, directly deducted from invoice, and no entry is passed in the books of account. Okay. Now come to the cash discount. Whereas the cash discount is concerned, cash discount is given by the seller to the customer for prompt payment as early as possible, as early as the customer pay the amount to the seller will give the cash discount. For instance, if the customer pay the amount immediately, means 0 days, immediately, then 10% will be the cash discount. If 1 to 15 days, the discount will be suppose 8%. If 16 days to 30 days, discount will be 5%. 30 days to 60 days, discount will be 1%. 60 days to 90 days, no discount, and thereafter if the payment will be delayed, interest will be charged. So this cash discount is given by the seller to the customer, means purchaser, for prompt payment, as it's an attraction given by the seller to the customer that you pay the amount with the earliest possible to avail this discount. If you pay the amount immediately, down payment immediately, you will get 10% discount. Suppose the customer has purchased the goods of rupees 1 lakh and he has paid the amount immediately, then 10% discount will be deducted. 10% discount. This discount is cash discount. So you have to pay finally 90,000. Finally 90,000. If the customer will pay in between 1 to 15 days, the discount will be 8%. So here the customer will have to pay now 88,000. Sorry, 92,000. If the customer is paid in between 30 to 60 days, the discount will be only 1,000. Then the customer have to pay 99,000. So it's for prompt payment. And it is allowed at the time of payments, and it is recorded in the books of account. It is recorded in the books of account, and it is recorded. Whereas the trade discount is not recorded. It is for volume of purchase and sale. It is for volume of purchase and sale, quantity of purchase and sale depend upon, and whether the purchase is cash purchase or credit purchase, means goods is sold for cash or goods is sold on credit. It is immaterial. It depend upon the volume, quantity. Trade discount is depend upon quantity, means volume of purchase and sale, of purchase and sale, but it depends upon the prompt payment as early as possible. So discount allowed by the seller to the customer. This may be a trade discount and cash discount, and maybe both discount is given by the customer, given by the seller to customer. Suppose the goods is sold for rupees, whose list price is 1 lakh, and trade discount, suppose it is 10%, 10% is the TD, so we'll deduct the TD first, trade discount first, so it is 90, and thereafter is the provision of cash discount, and he is eligible to get a 5% cash discount, then 4,500 will be deducted, and the customer has to pay finally 85,500 to the seller. Okay, so discount, this cash discount is a revenue expense. It's a revenue expense.